All parties Hurriyat Conference has condemned the excessive militarization of occupied Kashmir, stating that it has created a dire crisis in the territory. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, described the situation in Kashmir as potential nuclear flashpoint in South Asia, warning that the unresolved Kashmir dispute could ignite conflict in the region. Indian forces have intensified cordon and search operations across various districts in occupied Kashmir. Indian troops and the paramilitary forces personnel have set up checkpoints, carrying out house raids and door-to-door searches in Srinagar, Kupwara, Baramulla, Bandipora, Ganderbal, Islamabad, Udhampur, Kishtwar, Doda, Rajouri and Poonch districts. Yasmin Dar, a Kashmiri origin UK citizen and former Lord Mayor of Manchester, has spoken out about the ongoing struggle of the people in occupied Kashmir for right to self-determination, stressing the importance of raising the global awareness and advocating for their rights. In a media interview, Yasmin Dar, who is also a member of the Jammu and Kashmir self-determination movement, highlighted the historical and ongoing human rights violations in occupied Kashmir. A magnitude 5.2 earthquake struck the occupied Kashmir, sending shockwaves across the territory. The earthquake impact was felt across several areas, sparking concerns about the potential damage and the casualties. First snowfall of the season has transformed the occupied Kashmir into a winter wonderland, enhancing the scenic destinations like the Gulmarg and Sonamarg for the visitors. Now blanketing the higher altitude areas in Kupwara and Bandipora has disrupted the key travel routes.